Okay, this is Sullivan here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing review on one of the Nerf Moguls. So, Nerf Modulus, I'm going to be showing. What I most like about this gun is that these you can take off, and you can take them off and it goes into a little gun. And the stock is pretty comfy. There is two barrel attachments on this gun, and I am going to do a firing test now. And the sights are pretty good too. Now it's a 6-dart clips, so not a lot, but it's alright. And I'm going to be showing you a firing test on it. So I find that it jams pretty frequently with the regular Nerf Modulus bullets. So I'm using the HVZ bullets. And if you don't know what HVZ is, it's humans versus zombies, and college campus kids play it pretty much. So here is the firing. Pretty accurate, pretty far. It's pretty fast, and 6 bullets, so I'd recommend it as a second gun. This is like one of the add-ons to the Nerf Modulus, and I'd recommend HVZ bullets because these are way better than the Modulus bullets. See, they jam pretty frequently. They have lots of dents in them, and they're feet, but it hit the couch. So, yeah, that is the Nerf Modulus review on one of the Nerf Modulus guns. This is Sullivan signing out.